Om Vigneshwaraya Namaha Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome back, viewers. Hope you all had a nice week and you are all safe and healthy. Last episode, we have seen stars in the signs. I explained the 27 stars sequential order and degrees, and there are 3 planet star, that is 9 star coming into 2 signs and etc. In this episode, we will see about the signs. What do you mean by signs in English, which is Rasi in traditional astrological language. So each sign or Rasi is 30 degrees in the Earth orbit around the Sun, which is 360 degrees. And each sign has different names, and there is a reason why it is divided into 30 degrees. In short, the moon's rotation around the earth is completed in 30 days, and that time the sun also moves 30 degree or the earth moves 30 degrees from each other. So that is the reason why we have 30 degrees for each sign, and it also coincides with our month. That's why we have 12 months. So I have explained this in my previous series of Art of Timing. You can go and watch the episode called Moon and the Month, or the month is month. So the first sign at 0 degrees is Aries in English and Mesha in astrological or Indian language. And then from 31st degree to 60 degree, it is called Taurus or Rishabha. So the first one I am going to tell in English, in Western world what they call it, and then second one will be in Indo-Indian language. The third sign is called Gemini or Mithuna. The fourth sign is Cancer or Kadaga or Karkada. And fifth sign is Leo, which is Simha. And sixth sign is Virgo or Kanya. The seventh sign is Libra or Tularasi. The eighth one is Scorpio or Virchigam, and ninth one is Sagittarius or Dhanur Rasi. The 10th one is Capricorn or Magaram. The 11th one is Aquarius or Kumbha Rasi. The last, the 12th Rasi or sign is Pisces and Meenam. So these are all the 12 signs or 12 Rasis, and each Rasi has a name, and there is a qualities, and the particular things are assigned to those individual Rasis. Also, there are planets allocated in each Rasi, and how they have done, what are all the things which will be explained in future videos. But now, why the first Rasi is Aries or Mesha? New Vedic year starts at 0 degree, which is falls in Aries. Earth rotates the sun in a elongated orbit. It's not a perfect circle. So the days and nights are different time. It is not exactly 12 hours. There are times where it comes to exactly in the spherical path, that is once in Aries, when the sun is in Aries sign, then the day is very close to 12 hours, and one or few days during that month, or when the sun travels in Aries sign, it is exactly 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. That is one sign. The next sign is quite opposite, that is in a Libra sign, where again this phenomena happens. So this is called equinox also. That is one of the reason why they selected Aries as a first sign in the zodiac. Also, the sun is very close to earth on its rotation, and because of the slanting axis of the earth, it is closer than when it is in the Libran sign. So that is why it is chosen as the first sign of the zodiac is Aries. And the zodiac in general is, for our reading purpose, it is plotted as a square one and having a 12 squares around completing it. But in western side there will be a circle, and then there are different methods how to use those things. In this video we have seen that signs are 30 degrees and there are 12 signs in the zodiac. How this 30 degrees is calculated is based on the completion of one rotation of moon around the earth. It takes 30 days or it covers 30 degrees. At the same time, earth moves around the orbit in circulating the sun also covers the 30 degree in the distance of 360 degree. That's each of the sign is allocated with several traits and qualities and elements, and also the planets are allocated to each sign. Those things will be explained in the later videos. But I have also explained why we have Aries as the first sign of the zodiac, because of the equinox. So this is what we covered in this video. See you in the next video.